In this video, I will show you how to fix your algorithm setting not showing on Instagram. So for that, what you'll have to do is first of all go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. But if your app is already up to date, then what you can do is click and hold on to your Instagram icon. Then click on More Features. Then go to App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will find Clear Data and Clear Cache. Make sure you click on Clear Cache written in bright red. Now once your cache is clear, what you can do is simply click and hold on to your power menu. From here, restart your phone. Once your phone is restarted, you can simply try relaunching Instagram. And if it is still not there, then simply open up Instagram. From here, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top right. After that, scroll till the end. Here you will find a logout button. Simply click on it. After that, simply click on log out and then log back into your account and it should start working. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.